Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. So, we have some updates regarding Helium Mobile. Helium has just launched a nationwide $20 a month unlimited plan, as well as outdoor Helium Mobile hotspots. So, for those of you that are not familiar with Helium Mobile, Helium uses the T-Mobile network. It's an MVNO, and what they're doing is they're trying to give you that T-Mobile experience without having to pay the same prices as if you were using T-Mobile. This is essentially beneficial to customers that like the T-Mobile network, but maybe didn't have the greatest experience with T-Mobile directly. Maybe the business side of T-Mobile, maybe the customer support wasn't up to par for you. Maybe they've made some billing mistakes, or maybe you just find them completely uh, not up to your needs. Maybe they just don't satisfy your needs as a customer overall, but you like the network and you want an affordable way to use it. An MVNO like Helium Mobile comes in and gives you that kind of offer that you're looking for. $20 plan. Of course, there are taxes and fees on top of that. So, my guess, because you have to put in your city and state when you check out, that will ultimately determine what you're going to pay. But if I had to guess, I'd say somewhere within the $5 range. So maybe we're looking at $25 a month for their unlimited plan. What you get is unlimited talk, text, and data, 30 gigabytes of priority data. After you've reached that 30, you will be slowed down. Um, I'm not really sure what they slow you down to. It could be kilobytes or it could be maybe 1 megabyte per second. Not really sure. I haven't tested Helium as of now. It's something I do want to test the network and the service. I just haven't gotten around to it, but I might be doing it very soon. That's on my list of carriers to try. Once I try it, I'll give you guys some feedback based on my experiences with them, how the service is working, how the billing, how the customer experience is. If I need to reach out to support for anything, I'll definitely let you know. But going off the bat, the website looks great. If we take a look at the website, it's very nice, modern, sleek, looks good. And, I'm not affiliated with Helium in any way, so I'm not trying to upsell anything. You choose to try out Helium, that's on you. But just giving you my first impressions of the site, looks great. Very easy to navigate around. We have all our reviews and all that good stuff there. But so that's the $20 plan. Okay. Um, and how the Helium network works is basically they consider it a community. They want everyone to kind of help one another and make the network experience great for each other. That's why they have something called the Helium Outdoor Mobile Hotspot. They have an indoor version of this as well. Now, this is not for everybody because these devices are expensive. They have an indoor one, which is $249, and then they have an outdoor version, which is $500. Okay. So let's take a look at the indoor version, right? As we can see, 249. Now, what you're doing with this is if you're, I guess, at an event and you set one of these hotspots up indoor, anyone that's within the parameters there will be able to hop on that hotspot and enjoy the experience of Helium Mobile's network. As a result of this, as of your kindness, Helium rewards you with mobile rewards points, which you can use to pay your monthly bill. So I guess I don't know exactly how this works here. If it's, whether or not if it's every member that jumps on, you get points that way. I'm not really sure on how the whole process works, but I do know you get points for setting up hotspots, which you can use to pay your monthly bill. So the more you accumulate, the less your monthly bill is. However, you have to pay $249 for the indoor version, and then they have a $500 outdoor version, which there are maps of where they recommend that you deploy these devices. So I guess it's areas that have high network traffic, and that would benefit from your hotspots the most. So I'm assuming maybe you get more points that way if you follow where you should deploy it. So I guess this is cool stuff if you're into that type of thing. If you want to help set up, the network for, people that you don't know, but you want them to be able to get on the network. So I'm not really sure how many customers will bite off of this. Will take, will take advantage of this or be interested in it, should I say? But I'm sure there are some that find this cool, want to do, want to be part of the testing and want to be part of it. Maybe it makes them feel like they're part of the company or whatnot. But either way, it'll cost you a lot. $249 for indoor, $500 for out. So we'll see how long this type of plan works. But the $20 plan, like I said, probably 25 with taxes and fees, isn't too bad. 30 gigabytes of premium data, not bad to try out if you're looking for an affordable way to use T-Mobile's network. It's a good alternative to some of the other options that are out there. Metro by T-Mobile is probably the best deal you can get to use T-Mobile's network at an affordable price. I'll be honest with you. Their $40 plan is 35 gigs of priority. Once you're slowed down, you barely even notice any congestion at all. To me, it is my experience. It doesn't feel much different than when you have the priority data. And then, of course, you can also get that plan for $25 a month by calling customer support. So, me, I'm just trying to be honest. And even though we're talking about Helium Mobile, I'm going to let you know that this is an all right deal. There are better. But if you're looking to try the T Mobile network at an affordable price, $25 with tax, probably, um, 30 gigs of priority, unlimited talk, and text as well. A company that seems to care about the way customers feel. I mean, that's the vibe that they're giving, that they want everyone on the network to be happy and kind of help each other out, kind of thing, and experience a good network overall. If you want that, this might be a good option for you. It's certainly maybe worth trying out. See if you like it. See if, they call it people powered. That's the thing here. This is all about people powered. And I don't know. I think it's a decent option for those that are looking for an affordable way to jump on T Mobile's network. As always, I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.